Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing quiz. So simply click on Start Lab. Wait for the lab to get started. Once the lab is started, first of all, copy this application URL, open a new tab, paste over here. Now come back over here to the lab instruction and just copy the assessment code, paste over here and just submit. Just do it like this and paste the code again. Now come back over here and check the score. See, if you're not getting the score instantly, it can take up to 1 minute. You can clearly see. So just wait for some more time. Now try to check the score again. So you can clearly see we have got the score. Now do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day. Wait for some more time. You'll surely get